Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change the logo size in Shopify. Let's get started. So let's head over and click on this customize right here. Then once you have clicked on that customize button, you should be able to see your Shopify editor. Now in here, I have in here my header. And on this header right here, I don't have yet the logo. So what we can do is you can actually just head over and add in here a logo for our actual store. So let me just head over and add a logo first. So in here, head over and click on this theme setting. And then click on select image for your logo. And then for example, let's just head over and then use this one. This is just for an example. It's not my actual logo. I'll click on done. Then as you can see, it's been added right here. So in here, it will actually appear from in there. So if you want to actually change the size, you can use this desktop logo width. So if you actually make this bigger, the logo will also become bigger. So it will take some time for this right here to load, but as you can see, once it's loaded, you can see that the logo has changed the size as well. So in order to change that back, just head over to your header, click on this theme setting, and then just adjust the desktop logo width. So just like that, I make this into around 90 pixels only, and this is what it looks like. So just head over and click on save, and that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.